Hello pretty geeks and welcome to a StitchFix unboxing. I'm really excited to have this one, even though obviously I just did one a few days ago, but only posted it yesterday. And I'm so excited for this one. This is Andrea, I believe, unless we couldn't get her again. So here's our return bag. And we're just going to peek if it's the correct name. Oh, it's Sam. Ooh, they changed our stylist. Okay, we'll peek through in a bit then. So I requested more skirts and dresses. That's what this particular profile says. It is just like, no pants, please. Done with the pants. And I was like really hoping I could get that mini skirt in another color. So let's get started. Let's see. It's another really big floral, but I'm not sure about it because it's also quite black. Is this magnolia? Oh, I don't know about this. So it has a crossover in the front. And it has a little stitch that holds it, but all of this is totally open. Wonder if Belly's gonna try to escape. I do like the sleeves on it, and it is very soft. It's got some really beautiful seaming done on it. But it doesn't quite look like it's my style, so we'll see. Ooh, this one is super duper soft. Oh, I forgot to tell you the name. Oh my word. Okay. This is the West Kai Julia Surplice Knit Top in black in a size medium. So I'm a little disappointed because I put on my profile that I didn't want black, and I put it in my comments the only reason I didn't keep that skirt was because it was black. So, oh, it's a dress. It's a sweater dress. Fortune and Ivy Regina Hockey knit dress in gray. That is so pretty. I mean, it's such a simple A-line cut, and I apologize, the lighting is so weird. It is not only early, but it is a bit cloudy, so it's kind of going all over the place. And another black item. Oh my gosh. That's kind of disappointing, actually. The Mix by 41 Hawthorne Allyson knit t-shirt dress, again in black, in a size medium. I actually have a ton of black knit t-shirt dresses because at one point they were on sale at Forever 21 for like $3 each, and you could use coupons. So I got, like they were on like buy one get one free, and you can use a discount coupon. So I think I paid like $1.50 and then got free ones. So that's a little disappointing actually, because I did specifically say not. So there is this big scarf in kind of a plaid, which again is odd because my profile says no plaid, but it is in a pretty blue and gray and taupe. So these colors are closer, but it's not really something I would wear a whole heck of a lot. We'll see. And the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Aubriana long sleeve knit cardigan in burgundy in a size medium. That's kind of cute. And it has a fall open front. Yeah, I have this cardigan in a few other colors and styles. I do tend to prefer the ones with pockets. Yeah. So I'm gonna regroup actually, because I'm feeling really bummed that this doesn't include any of my requests and includes things that I specifically said I didn't want. So I'm gonna regroup and I'm gonna try some things on. Okay, I'll be back. Alrighty, so we are going to start with the Julia Surplice knit top. It does fit fairly well, I think. It's comfy. It is not my style. This is far too large scale. It is an asymmetrical, what is it called? Where they're the different heights. I always forget. So it comes quite low actually on the bum, but it doesn't actually reach the bottom of my belly. So instead of pants, I'm wearing my dress. And yeah, that would be problematic because it reaches just under my belly button. Not sure how I feel about all this extraness. The neckline lays very nicely though, and the fabric is really, really quite soft. And next is the Allyson knit t-shirt dress, which fits quite well. I think it's actually it's smaller than the ones I own, so it does, I think, fit a little bit nicer. It's got a really nice stretchy fabric. It's very comfy. I don't really have the need for another one, but it does fit fairly nice. And I'm not a big fan of this boot pocket. It's laying a bit weird on me. So maybe if I wasn't wearing a bra, but I thought I would be semi-decent. And in her little note, she said that burgundy is the it color this season. How exciting is that? Fashionable now. And to pair it with the black. So it's kind of cool because it like shows the bum and the back because of the way it's cut. It reaches almost the front. So I do think it's cute. It's not really the vibe that I go for, but I could see wearing it if I owned it, sort of thing. I think I really only wear my black dresses when it is summer and ungraciously hot and I don't want to wear clothing. So I'm not sure. But yeah, the Abriana long sleeve knit cardigan, it's a nice thin lightweight sort of cardigan. It fits nice, doesn't really have a closure, but you can do like a wrappy majig. I've seen people do brooches on them, which is beautiful, but I'm always worried that I'm gonna snag and destroy my cardigans like that. Now this one I do rather like. This is the Regina Hachi knit dress, and I like it that it's kind of casual, but it's still fairly dressy. It is another short one, but with leggings or tights with socks, I think it would be cute. It's got a nice 3/4 sleeve, and the material is so soft. It is different feeling on the inside. It's only brushed on this outside piece. On the inside, it's like that slick knit. And I was trying to figure out what it was feeling like. And one of our first ever cardigans that we did together is the same gray Hachi print it is in the laundry, unfortunately, because I want to say its color is almost identical as well. And she said to pair it with this scarf. I don't really do a whole lot of scarves, but I can kind of see it. I don't really do the scarf thing. I feel like they always end up either in my mouth or choking me. But I can see it. I'm gonna wear it just like this. There we go. The only plaid I wear is my tartan. So let's go over prices real quick because we're already done. All right, let's talk prices. The Allyson knit dress by Mixed by Hawthorne, $38. So if you are really looking for a good, high quality, super stretchy sort of dress, I'm not going to stretch it all the way. It's fine. It was pretty great quality. The boot pocket might lay a little weird. Just a thing. The Julia Surplice knit top by Beacon. Very soft. Super duper asymmetrical. You can kind of tell that a little bit better now. So, would recommend if you didn't have as much of a belly as obviously I do, it'll lay a whole lot nicer. And obviously if you're a fan of the color scheme, obviously a pass for me. It's not my color scheme nor my pattern. And it is $40 for that fine top. Now this one actually surprised me. The Regina Hockey Knit Dress by Fortune and Ivy, $44. That's not terrible, right? Like, I mean, StitchFix wise, that's really freaking good. How much of our last couple dresses have been? So, I like this one. I'm thinking I'm going to keep this one. Yeah, I like this one a lot. It's so, like, kitty tummy baby bunny soft. So soft. I love it. Okay, the Chestnut Checkered Infinity Scarf by Octavia, $34. Like, I feel like maybe if it's still a trendy thing, maybe I'll try scarves, but I mean, the Target has pretty similar designs, and they're like $3 to $7. You know, I'm gonna dollar spot that. So, and finally, the Aubriana long sleeve cardigan by Mixed by 41 Hawthorne is $38. I think we've already unboxed this one before together. I still like it if you are in need of that color. The one that I have, because I have it already, has been washing really well. It wears really well. I don't wear it as much as the ones that have pockets, because I like pockets. And I like the ones with the button detail. I don't feel like I ever close them, but I like the ones that have at least a little bit something like, no, I could totally close my shirt if I wanted to. Okay, so that's it. I admit I was pretty disappointed by some of the pieces, just style-wise, but they are nice. It's nice clothing. It's just not for me. So that's all I have for y'all today, and I love you so much.